Hi friends, I'm Jaidev, a core aptitude trainer. So here we are going to see 10 different questions, that is MCQs, which are from previous papers from different companies of campus recruitment training. Here is a question from numerical ability, that is speed, time and distance. The question is, a train a length of 150 meters long is running at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. How much time will it take to pass the platform 450 meters long? Now, if you want to answer this question, you should know the basics of time and distance. What is time? What is distance? What is speed? That you should know. And you should know the conversions also, unit conversions, right? Now, here he has given four options: 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds. Now, you need to understand the given data. What is the given data? The length of the train is 150 meters. The length of the platform is 450 meters. There's a basic common sense is when a train is crossing a platform means it is crossing its distance as well as platform's distance. That is, train is crossing its distance 150 meters plus platform's distance, that is 450 meters. So totally, to cross the 600 meters, how much time is required? That is asking. Got my point or not? Now, in 1 hour, it crosses 54 kilometers per hour. So, guys, you need to understand here one thing. He has given the units, speed units is kilometers per hour, but the distance is in meters. So you need to convert hours into meters per second. You need to multiply with 5 by 18. So 54 into 5 by 18, which is 18, 3s are 54, 3 into 5, 15 meters per second. So now you know the speed, that is meters per second, and you know the distance. Now, what you have to find? You have to find time. So we know the basic formula is time equals to distance by speed. So distance is 600 meters by speed 15 meters per second. So 600 by 15, 15 ones are 15, 40 are. So the train will take 40 seconds to cross the 450 meters length of platform. Got my point or not? This is how you need to answer the question. So, guys, see the next question. This is a question from logical reasoning, and the topic is syllogism, right? Or logical deductions. He has given two statements. Statement number one is all cats are animals, and the statement number two is all animals are dogs. And he has given conclusions also too. See, they are only conclusions, not answers, not options. Options he has given again four options: A, B, C, D. So, conclusions: some cats are dogs and all cats are dogs. So, these are the two conclusions he has given. And four options are given. Only option one follows, option two follows, neither follows, both follows. Now, if you are going to observe as per the logical deduction 7 rules method or any other method which you know, for the given statements there is no direct relationship between cats and dogs. There are two: one is subject and the other is predicate. Cat is a subject, animal is a predicate. So if you are going to take these two, subject and predicate, there is no direct relation between subject and predicate, so that you cannot take a decision. So therefore, neither one is not a conclusion. So option 3 is the answer for this one, right? The third question is from verbal ability. Verbal ability is nothing but English language skills. And this question is from sentence completion. He has given like this: Choose the best word to complete the sentence. There are 4 words I've given. You need to choose one out of these 4 to fulfill the blank. Due to his dash behavior, the team lost confidence in his leadership. So he has given authoritarian, erratic, meticulous, cautious. So the right answer is erratic. Means a kind of different behavior. A person who can't mingle with the team, who can't communicate with the team properly, who is arrogant, who is adamant, don't communicate with people properly, and shows authority to all these skills. One who has that guy is called erratic. So option 3 is the answer. Now the next question is analytical reasoning, that is puzzles. I can say it's a question from coding and decoding. In a certain code, fire, F-I-R-E, is written as E-R-I-F. Now, how will water be written? Now, you need to understand the logic here. See, in the first word, F-I-R-E, fire, that has written as E-R-I-F. If you're going to use your common sense, you know what happens exactly. He has written the letters in the reverse order. That is the logic. Now you have to apply the same logic to the given word. So whatever has given, you need to apply the same logic. Write down the letters in the reverse order. So it will be RETAW. So RETAW is the B option. So that will be the answer. So here, so it's not a rocket science, applying common sense only, right? The next one is a question from numerical ability, that is probability. Guys, probability is one of the most important topics in campus recruitment training or test. So what is the probability of getting an even number when a die is rolled or thrown? We know the dice, right? We'll throw the dice while we are playing. So he is asking a question. What is the probability of getting even number when a die is thrown? When a die is thrown, what are the actual possibilities? How many total number of possibilities are there? There are 6. The outcome may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, right? Only up to 6. Now, total outcomes are 6. Out of this, how many odd numbers are there? How many even numbers are there? There are 3 odds. 1, 3, 5 are odds. 2, 4, 6 are even. So he is asking specifically even number possibilities. So there are 3 out of 6. So 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. The answer is C. Very simple, right? That is how you need to, okay, think. Got it? Right. Now, if you're going to see the next question is logical reasoning. This is a question from blood relations. What is that? If A is a brother of B, B is mother of C, C is sister of D, then how is A related to D? Guys, this is a topic called like social relations. Do you have the social understanding or not? That is what they want to check. So when A is brother of B, who is mother of C, hence A is C and D's uncle. A is C and D's uncle. So how is A related to D means definitely it will be uncle. If you want, you just put a diagram so that you can understand very easily. Right. Now the next question is analytical reasoning. This is a question from analytical reasoning. 5 friends are there. This is from sitting arrangements actually. P, Q, R, S, and T are sitting in a row. See, sitting arrangements can be in 2 ways, either circular or parallel or linear, what we can say. So Q is between P and R. S is to the immediate right of R, and T is at the end of T is at one end. Who is sitting at the other end? This is the question. So guys, if you are going to analyze carefully, okay, Q is between P and R. So if you make Q here, here P and R, it could be P or either way. And S is the immediate right of R. So now you should be very careful. So for S, who is right, what is left, what is right, that common sense is very important. So the order is T, P, Q, R, S. So the other end S is there. So that is the one. Now the next question is numerical ability, that is percentages. If the price of a shirt increases 20% and person reduces its consumption 25%. See, let's assume that you have a shop wala is there, is selling shirts. So he's getting some business. All of a sudden he has increased the price 20%. And the sales has decreased 25%. So what is the percentage change? For this, in a traditional way, you will be calculating 20 by 100 into like this. But I can say in a logical way, when a value is subjected to multiple changes, then the overall value or the net value is affected. The product of individual effects, that is what there is a rule. So in the first case, it has increased 20%, that is 1.2. It becomes increase means 1.2. And the second case, it has decreased 25%. The actual percentage tagline is 100 and it has decreased 25%. That is 0.75. So if you are going to multiply directly 1.2 into 0.75, it will be 0.9. That means 90%. The actual one is 100%. And now it becomes a 90%. So the difference is 10%. So 10% is the answer. This is how you need to answer. You need to think, right, logically. Now, the next one is a question from logical reasoning, that is number series. He has given 2, 6, 12, 20 dash 42. Now you have to find the difference. So if you are going to think properly, you can understand it is 6 minus 2, 4, 12 minus 6, 6. So 20 minus 12, 8. So 30 minus 20, 10. So 42 minus 30, 12. So it is in a different way. It is the difference between the consecutive terms in this model is like this: 6 minus 2, 12 minus 6, then 20 minus 12, 30 minus 20, and 42 minus 30. So the answer is 30, right? And finally, here is a question from direction sense. Again, it is purely common sense based. A person walks 10 meters north, turns to his right 10 meters, then turns to his right again 10 meters. Which direction is he in the is that person facing now? First, he moved towards north, then right. North to right, east. East to again right, south. South is the answer. That is basic common sense. Now, guys, by seeing all these questions, what did you understand? Most of the questions, you need not have any formulas. You need not do any calculation part. It is enough to apply your common sense. Got my point or not? So aptitude means applying common sense. So if you can think like this, you can solve the question from aptitude very easily and you can crack the aptitude test. So friends, finally, it's my humble request, if you like this content, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, so that you can get more updates in my further videos. Thank you.